Guys, welcome. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. My name is Ray Lewis from RHW, Resilient Health and Wellness. And today I want to discuss something that one of my clients had asked me about today. Why is it important to detox? Now, removing the toxins from our body is, to me, is very important, and it should be done on a regular. Most people don't understand that. So I'm going to break it down for you as easy and simply as I can. And I'm also going to show you a quick clip from the scientist that actually will test the water that most of us are using. And I'm going to give you a solution for that as well. So one of the reasons why we should remove detox is to remove harmful toxins. Like right now in this society that we live in, there is so much chemicals that are being sprayed, whether it's in the air, on our food. And that's why I always promote organic foods, whether you grow your own food, which is better, or organic foods, because my client asked me, what's the difference between, why do I need to eat organic foods? Well, most foods, which if you notice on the label that starts with a 4, usually a 444 or 45, are genetically modified organisms. And not only are they created in a lab, or mostly the seeds are created in a lab, they are sprayed. So they're sprayed with a lot of toxins. Those toxins can affect your immune system, they can affect your energy levels, and they can also affect your ability to lose weight. So what it does is it causes me eating vegetables, fruits, and I'm not losing weight. That could be one of the main reasons why. Okay, so I want you to check out this clip about the water. I have this gentleman here, the scientist. I've seen this clip, and he's going to explain about sometimes the water, how we're getting a lot of toxins from the water that we use just by showering or even cooking our foods on a daily. Check this out.
People have to think, is chlorine actually dangerous for me?
It's a huge problem, Miles. It's a huge problem. Study after study has said that people who are exposed to chlorinated water have an increased incidence of heart disease, heart attacks, breast cancer in women, and Alzheimer's and other forms of cancer. And you know what? Most people don't know that we get 2/3 of our exposure to chlorine in the bath or the shower when it's absorbed through your skin. Let me show you something. This is ordinary Tucson tap water. And it's the same water because I'm pouring it out of the same glass. These are the same pool test drops you test for chlorine in your backyard swimming pool. I'll drop 5 drops in each glass.
Oh, look at that, almost instantly.
And if it turns yellow, there's chlorine in there. There's
Very
chlorine.
clearly.
Now, I'm going to swish my fingers around in this one to simulate taking a bath or a shower. Just for a couple of seconds. Watch. Same number of drops.
Wow, no sleight of hand here, and you're saying in those 2 seconds that you swished your fingers in there?
All that chlorine was absorbed right through the skin of my fingers. Now, I'm going to do something that I haven't done much down here. This is just a slice of potato. I'm going to swish it around in there just for that length of time. Okay. Drop the same number of drops in there.
Look at that, just the same as your fingers. Don't tell me it absorbed directly into the food.
Every bit of that chlorine just went right into the food. So whatever you're cooking in chlorinated water, it's going right into your food and you're eating it.
Well, I mean, the proof here is in the water. I mean, if you shower, it absorbs into your skin. If you're cooking with your food, it absorbs into your food. It's hard to swallow the fact that we're eating and ingesting all of that chlorine. So for a lot of people, this might seem hopeless because it's coming out of every sink, of every shower. What can we actually do about it?
So one of the simplest and easy methods I use is a zero water filter. So what I usually do is I take the water from my refrigerator, which is alkaline water, but it's also still has particles in it, and I filter it. I filter it through my zero water filter. I like the tabletop version. It also comes in a pitcher version, and I just filter the water, and it takes out everything from the water. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description for the tabletop version and also for the pitcher, where you could pick it up at Amazon. You can also find them at Walmart as well. Like I said, it comes with a TDS meter, total dissolved solids, which checks your points per million. Also for the shower head, I'll leave a link in the description as well for that. When I use my shower head filter, I find that I feel a lot cleaner and a lot fresher. So it has like 20 stages of filtering, and yeah, I find it a must have for me. Also, if you do not like, or sorry, not do not like, but if you find that this is too much, you can also attach one underneath your sink or your faucet, and it will last for about 2 years. 2 years, yeah. So I'll leave the link in the description for that one as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. And if you did, just click on the like button and feel free to share this with your friends. Now, just remember, overall detoxification is very important, okay? And it can improve your overall health and well-being. So it's important that you incorporate this healthy lifestyle and this living, have a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. It's essential for maintaining optimal health and preventing and accumulating toxins in the body. So once again, subscribe to the channel and just look out for more information that may help you improve your life and make a better version of yourself. Talk to you soon.